Can you push? Oh, you're going into the couch. You're going into the couch, monkey. Well, let me turn it. Here, want me to help you? He loves things that go. Come on. Come on. Oh, here you go. Okay, come push your wagon. Come here, go get your wagon. Go get your wagon. Get it. Get your wagon. Push it. Go get Grandma. Uh-oh, you're stuck. There you go. You gonna push it into the tree? Ben?
Dad.